Guys, I'm back with another one. Today I wanted to show you guys how to make French toast. All you need is a non-stick cooking spray, or you can use a little bit of butter in the pan, some syrup, you can use regular or sugar-free, some eggs, and some bread. Let's get started. Alright you guys, so the first thing I'm gonna do is crack my eggs in the bowl. Make sure you try to get no eggshells, because those are really hard to eat. Really crunchy. So I have my eggs in the bowl. Now I'm going to stir it really good. Make sure it's fluffy. You can use a hand mixer if you have one. Be careful. Or you can use a fork like myself and just whip up the eggs really good. What I'm going to do is turn my heat on and put my non-sticking spray. Just a little bit, you don't need too much. A lot of these also contain butter. I'm going to open my bread. Now the next step, what we're going to do is I'm going to wait for my pan to get a little bit hot. It's all beat. I don't have any cinnamon. Usually I'll put some cinnamon in here. You can if you like, to give it some flavor. It's nice and hot, so now what I'm going to do is get a piece of bread, put it into my egg mixture. Make sure you coat both sides. Kind of hang it over to remove the excess egg. And then you're going to put it inside the pan. And then I'm going to do another one like so. Flip it. My hands are washed. Remove the excess egg and put it in the pan. Now you're going to let these brown on both sides until you don't see any more of the runny egg. Now I'm going to flip it over. You can kind of push it down. That way it can cook on both sides. I still see a little bit of the runny egg right here and over here, so I'm gonna flip them one more time. I'm ready to flip these again. So this side is done. I'm just gonna give the other side about a minute. Flip it over again to make sure there's no runny egg. And nope, I think that's about good. So now I'm going to take these out the pan. Now I got them on a plate. I'm going to rub some butter on them, just to give it a little bit of butter flavor. You want to do it when the French toast is hot, so that way it'll melt. My plate's moving everywhere. All right, last but not least, I'm going to put some syrup. You can also add some white sugar powder if you like, or some cinnamon. And that's it, guys. That's my homemade French toast. Thank you for watching, and stay tuned for the next video.